Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Changing your battery can seem daunting, but with the right tools and steps, you can do it yourself. First, gather the necessary tools: a socket wrench set, a battery terminal cleaner, safety gloves, and goggles. It's crucial to prioritize safety, so make sure to wear gloves and goggles throughout the process. Start by ensuring your vehicle is parked on a flat surface, and turn off the ignition. Open the hood and locate the battery. Before proceeding, it's wise to check if the battery is secured with any brackets. If it is, use your socket wrench to remove the screws or nuts holding the bracket in place. Next, identify the positive and negative terminals. The positive terminal is usually marked with a plus symbol and often has a red cover. The negative terminal will have a dash symbol, typically colored black. Begin by disconnecting the negative terminal first. This reduces the risk of a short circuit. Use your socket wrench to loosen the nut on the negative terminal and gently wiggle the connector off. Remember, if you don't have the tools, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making this process hassle-free. Now, move on to the positive terminal. Loosen the nut and remove the connector as you did with the negative terminal. With both terminals disconnected, it's time to remove the battery. Carefully lift the battery out of its tray, ensuring you maintain a firm grip as batteries can be heavy. Once the old battery is out, take this opportunity to clean the battery tray and terminals. Use a battery terminal cleaner or a mixture of baking soda and water to neutralize any corrosion. Apply the solution with a brush, and once done, wipe everything clean with a cloth. Now it's time to install the new battery. Place it in the tray, ensuring the positive and negative terminals are on the correct sides. Secure the battery by replacing the brackets if applicable. Next, connect the positive terminal first. Slide the connector over the terminal and tighten the nut securely. Follow this by connecting the negative terminal in the same manner. This order is important for safety. Before closing the hood, double-check that all connections are tight and that there's no corrosion left. If you're unsure about any step, remember we provide professional diagnosis without obligation. We can help ensure everything is in order and functioning properly. Finally, close the hood and start your vehicle. Check that everything is working as it should be. If you experience any issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We also offer a quote before repair, so you can make informed decisions without any surprises. Changing your battery can be straightforward, especially with these steps, ensuring you have a reliable vehicle. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.